I'm sure that you've already heard about or used at least once in your life one of the applications like ChatGPT by OpenAI or Siri by Apple, Alexa by Amazon, Copilot by Microsoft, Meta AI by Meta, Gemini by Google, or Claude by Anthropic. So these applications are called chatbots, and behind them we have what we call large language models, or LLMs for short. So let's see together what are large language models. Actually, they are a type of artificial intelligence models that can understand, generate, and interact with human language. The large word in LLM refers to the massive amount of data they are trained on and the large number of parameters they use. You can think of them as a very sophisticated computer programs that have been trained on massive amounts of text data. And you can use them in many applications, like for write stories, translate languages, answer questions, and even to write code. So the question that arises here is, how do these models learn? To become able to understand human language during their learning process, these models learn patterns and relationships in data. To do so, they learned on millions, even billions of books, articles, and websites. If we talk about only textual data, and the way these models learn is that they predict what word comes next based on the context in a sentence. It's like learning a language by reading a lot of books, but on a much larger scale. This process is called training, and it's what allows the LLM to do all its tasks. Now, what is behind these LLMs? Why, let's say, starting from 2018, we started seeing a kind of revolution in NLP field? Actually, behind these LLMs, we have what we call transformers. These are a new architecture used in most modern LLMs. They are like a special type of machine learning architecture. They are great at finding patterns in long sequences of text. They handle long distance relationships in sentences. This is what allows models to understand context and meaning better. Now, what can LLMs do? We have very broad range of capability. They can generate realistic text like articles, stories, poems, and even code. They can translate languages, summarize large articles, hold conversations, and so on. And they are increasingly being used across various fields. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, the well-known chatbots are powered by LLMs like the GPTs used in ChatGPT by OpenAI, Gemini by Google, Llama by Meta, Claude by Anthropic, or Mistral by Mistral AI. These are often used in everyday apps and services, and you might even be interacted with LLMs without even knowing that you are. Now, what is the impact of LLMs? LLMs are very powerful tools and they can automate many tasks, and they help to improve many fields like education by providing personalized learning experiences, medicine, the same thing for personalized consultations, communications, research, and even helps to boost productivity in workspaces. But this doesn't come without challenges, as LLMs can be used for malicious purposes as well, like spreading misinformation or creating fake content, and they can be biased due to the data used in their training. Performance that LLMs attained nowadays is mind-blowing, but they still have limitations, like they still make mistakes, generate incorrect information, they still lack real-world understanding and cannot reason like humans do, even if we are going in this direction, and this is in continual improvement if we talk about agents and all of that stuff, but I will not go into details about this because it's out of the scope of this video, and they require a lot of data and computational resources to be trained. But as they are rapidly evolving, the future looks very exciting. we can expect to see more advanced LLMs with even more capabilities, and we can also expect to see them applied in new and creative ways, which makes AI undoubtedly change with these improvements. So this is it, guys, for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Don't hesitate to put a thumb up if it's the case, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel to have more videos like this one. Don't hesitate to put a comment if you need more details about any concept about which I talked so far, and see you next time.